Today I've got a package from Craft Holsters, so we're going to do a little unboxing. If you're curious what's in the box, stick around. What's up, crew? It is Chris, and welcome back to CloverTac. Today we got an unboxing from Craft Holsters. Now, it's a beautiful day here in Texas, so decided to do this out on the range, and as usual, we're going to have to deal with birds and bugs and wind and loud neighbors and traffic noise. Won't be any live fire today, though, so if you're looking for that, this is probably not the video for you. So just a quick backstory about Craft Holsters. This company is out of Slovakia, which is really interesting. I've done some review work on holsters of theirs in the past. As a matter of fact, I'm currently using one of their outside the waistband holsters for my EDC Beretta 84F, and there's a video, of course, on the channel. You can check that out if you would like. So let's get into the box today and see what the heck we got from Craft Holsters. I'm my trusty Boker knife here and figure out exactly how we get into this thing. And if the packaging on this holster is anything like the last holster I got, I really want to be careful with the packaging because I want to show you guys this. It's really cool. It's really unique. And it kind of speaks to that, maybe that old world feel that they still do over there in Slovakia. So we got it open and, oh heck yeah. So we'll turn this around. You can see I got a personalized note, and they've sent me a break-in kit as well. Not real sure what that is, but here it is. Break-in liquid wool dauber and a microfiber cloth. So gonna have to do a little homework on how to use the break-in kit here from Craft Holsters. Here is the holster. And this looks to be, it is, an inside the waistband. I don't typically carry inside the waistband, but for the purposes of testing and review on products, there it is. We'll take a closer look at that in a minute. Man, the leather smells great. So let's set that down. Take a look here at the belt. It's got some really good pliability to that belt. That belt is interesting. Same color as the holster. That's always a plus. Now, with the way that Craft Holsters packages their stuff, I didn't get a chance to share that with you guys on the video for the 84F. I did post like an Instagram pic, but you'll see here the packing material that they use is literal straw, like old school. That's just awesome. That's cool. So let's get this to the side. I'll get all these boxes and stuff to the side, and we'll kind of take a look at what they sent us. So first we'll take a look at this belt. Yeah, definitely leather. As far as the rigidity goes, typical leather belt. The thickness looks to be pretty good on it. Decent enough buckle. And then we'll look here at the small break-in kit. So let's open this up because this has to do, I guess, with conditioning the leather and that sort of thing. This is something that they did not send me last time. I'm not real sure how it all works. It does come with instructions, it looks like, so that's awesome because I'm gonna need them. But yeah, there is the instructions, and this package is a handy tool for an easier break-in of your leather holster. So this is for the holster apparently. And it gives instructions on how to use the microfiber cloth there, as well as the dauber. Don't use that to clean your sinuses. Not a good thing. And some break-in liquid here. Looks like a third of an ounce of a break-in liquid. So moving to the holster here, taking a look at it, we can see the, I don't know what you call that, the mahogany color or something like that. The brown leather, the Craft logo on the back, which is awesome. Got some reinforcement area here. Again, looks to be as good of a holster as the last one that they sent me for the Beretta 84F. We look at the back, I mean, we do have some adjustment available for ride height which is always nice. Different people, different body types, right? So obviously they did contact me before sending this, and this was sent for a firearm that I own. So let's break that out and see how it fits. Gonna get my CZ out of the box here, and what do we have? We have a CZ 75B. So just show clear there. Drop the decocker, and let's check this thing out. My CZ 75 BD in the craft holster. Nice snug fit. I don't see a problem. Not going to be doing any break dancing or anything like that. But yeah, once this gets sucked up to my body, attached to the belt inside the pants, sucked up to my body, then yeah, it's going to have even more retention in there than it has now. But you can see I can shake it at least a little bit. Can't shake it too hard, but I can shake it a little bit like this, and it does sit in there without putting any pressure or flex on it, which is nice. As far as the it coming in and out, comes in and out really nice. So yeah, all of that is fitting well. Looking forward to carrying this, doing a little T&E work, and testing it out and experimenting over the next few days, weeks, months, whatever. And then hopefully getting a video review out on it, maybe a benchtop review, something like that, and then turn around and doing a written review as well. If you're not aware, we do written reviews over on gear-report.com. So big shout out once again to Craft Holsters for the T&E opportunity here they've given me on the leather belt, as well as the inside the waistband leather holster for the CZ75BD. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. Until next time, don't forget to chain fire freedom.